Chinese chicken and cashew stir fry. In a bowl, mix together corn flour, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sesame oil, white pepper, oyster sauce and some honey, and mix well and set aside. Slice your chickens into thin strips and add 2 tablespoons of the sauce and let it marinate while you prep the rest. Thinly slice your onions and garlic. Then prep the rest of your vegetables. I had chard and kohlrabi, but you can also use peppers or mushrooms, courgettes, whatever you have. For extra flavor and heat, grate in some ginger and slice some red chilies. Now you're ready to wok. Heat some vegetable oil in a wok and add your onions, garlic and chili. Stir fry for a minute and then add the ginger. Add the chicken and stir fry until just starting to brown. Now you can also add the cashews. Add the kohlrabi and the chard, the leafy parts last. Stir fry for a minute or two and add the sauce plus 100 milliliters of water. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens and the chicken is cooked through about 1 minute. Serve straight away with some steamed rice. Eet smakelijk!